In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with your Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss an important appointment or meeting again. This is a great way to streamline your scheduling, especially if you use both platforms for managing your time. Let's dive right in. We'll start by opening Outlook on the web. Once you're logged in, make your way over to the calendar section, which you can find by clicking on the calendar icon. Now, what we'll do next is click on the settings gear in the top right corner. This will open a menu and you want to select View All Outlook Settings. Doing so will reveal a whole list of options, but today our focus is on anything to do with calendars. The next step is to find and select Calendar from the settings, then navigate to the Shared Calendars tab. Here is where the magic begins. Under the section called Publish a Calendar, you'll be given the option to select which calendar you want to sync with Google. You'll select the calendar you want to integrate, and then you'll see a drop-down menu where you need to choose Can View All Details. This option ensures that when you import the calendar to Google, you are able to see all the relevant information without any restrictions. After choosing that, go ahead and click on Publish. Now that it's published, you'll notice two links, an HTML link and an ICS link. It's crucial here to copy the ICS link, as this is the one that can be synced with Google Calendar. So, make sure to copy the ICS link to your clipboard, as this is what helps sync the data between the two platforms. Next up, we'll head over to Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar in another browser window or tab. Once you're in Google Calendar, look to the left sidebar and find the Other Calendars section. There's a small plus icon here, and when you click it, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the From URL option. This is where you'll paste the Outlook ICS link you copied earlier. After you paste it, just click on Add Calendar. And there you have it. Your Outlook events should now appear inside your Google Calendar. However, keep in mind that this is a one-way sync, meaning your Outlook events will be displayed as read only on Google Calendar. You will be able to see all the activities scheduled in Outlook from your Google Calendar interface, but any new events created directly on Google Calendar will not sync back to Outlook. This convenient integration makes juggling your schedules across different platforms a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Adjusting to a single calendar view can save you time and reduce the risk of double